Today we are going to see a new chapter, light energy. So in this topic first we are going to see about reflection. What is reflection? Bouncing back of light in the same medium is called reflection of light. In this reflection there are two types there. One is called regular reflection, another one is called irregular reflection. What is regular reflection? If the surface is polished, for example, this is a polished surface. Okay. Now imagine here the beam of light is incident on the polished surface. After incident on the surface, it is reflected in the same medium but in a definite direction. They are parallel to each other after reflection also. This is called regular reflection. For example, the reflection from the mirror or from a polished surface is an example of regular reflection. Next, what is irregular reflection? For this irregular reflection, the reflection from a uneven surface or a opaque surface or a rough surface. So imagine this is the rough surface. Now the beam of light is incident on this rough surface. After incident, they are reflected in a different direction because of the uneven surface. This is called irregular or a diffused reflection. Okay. So for example, if you are studying a letter from a book or reading a newspaper, all are type of irregular reflection. Next, now we are going to see about some of the important terms in a reflection of light. Okay. For that, this is a reflecting surface. Now the light is incident on the surface. So this ray is called incident ray. So what is incident ray? The ray which is incident on a reflecting surface is called incident ray. Okay. Next, point of incident. Now the incident ray incident on the reflecting surface at a particular point. That point is called point of incident. Okay, what is point of incident? If the light ray point of incident, the point on the reflecting surface where the incident ray strikes. This is called point of incident. Next we go for reflected ray. Okay, this is incident ray and this is point of incident. After incident on the surface, it is reflected back to the same medium. This is called reflected ray. Okay, so this, what are the important terms? We know that first one is incident ray, second one is point of incident, and third one is reflected ray. It is the ray of light which is bounced back after the reflecting surface is called reflected ray. Now we go for normal. Okay, at the point of incident, so this is the incident ray and this is point of incident and this is reflected ray. Okay, at the point of incident, if we draw a line perpendicular to the surface, that line is called normal. Okay, now we are going to see about what is angle of incident. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is called angle of incident. It will be denoted by the letter I. The same way, angle of reflection is the angle between normal to the reflected ray is called angle of reflection and it is denoted by the letter R. So these are the important terms in a reflection of light. Once again, what is incident ray? It is the ray of light which strikes the reflecting surface is called incident ray. It is the light ray which bounces back after reflecting from the surface. Point of incident, the point on the reflecting surface where the incident ray strikes. Normal, it is a perpendicular line drawn to the on the reflecting surface at the point of incident. Angle of incident, the angle between the normal and the incident ray. And angle of reflection is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. Okay, these are the important terms in a reflection of light. Next we go for laws of reflection. Here we have a two important point. The angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. This is first point. Okay, and second one is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal should lie on the same plane. Okay, these are the two important points in laws of reflection. So after this we are conclude. Thank you. Today we are going to